TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 143. You got the Nasdaq up 31. S&Ps are up 13. Gold contracts trading up $12 at $1,343. Silver is up 35 cents at $20.12. You have platinum up $12 at $1,063. Light sweet crude's up $1 at $46.36 a barrel. Notes up 11 ticks, 130.30. Bonds are up a full point, 10 ticks, 167.29. King dollar's down 685 ticks, 94.98. The euro is trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 100.80. We go over and take a look at the S&P. What you have is this, folks. So the SPY, bottom line, Fed doesn't go up on rates. Market moves higher. Nasdaq gets to a high. NDX gets to a high. The SPY is trading at 217.28 out here. Bottom line, this is right where you gap down from. So we'll see how this handles the gap. The number to keep your eye on is 217.03. Right now you're at 217.30. NDX 100, that's over its highs. Bottom line, we'll see whether it stays over its highs this time. It's been the fifth time up there. And this time it launched the high, though. We're at $118.86. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can get away from this high. The NASDAQ composite, and when you do bust the high or bust the low, folks, you got to get away from it. So bottom line, it's got to get away from it. The composite itself is getting away from it. To 52.87 was the high. Right now, you're at 325. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold goes topside yesterday. Right now, bottom line is it's coming into the downdraft that had been created out there from the 12th of July as well as the 6th of September. So we'll see how it handles this level. Gold can get up to this 1357 level. Right now, you're at 1344. Silver. We take a look at silver. Silver had wide price spread yesterday, accelerated volume. Silver right now is going after the swing high. Last swing high up in silver is $22.22. Bottom line is that it's going after that level. Now, notes and bonds are still indicating that they want lower price. And this is going to get really intriguing between notes and bonds and the U.S. dollar. And the reason being is that the dollar also has not broken a swing low. So if we look at the notes first, this is what you have. The notes today are backing down. The dollar is backing down. The dollar is at 95 flat. We've done 17,000 contracts on the dollar. Yesterday, we're going into 29,000 contracts, 39,000 contracts, as well as approximately 50,000. So the dollar has to get under 94.30 in order to be a failure. So the bottom line is that the dollar still wants higher price. We go over to the 30-year bond. What you have with the 30-year bond is this. 30-year bond is up a full point at 11 ticks. You're up with 116,000 contracts, and that's going to need a lot more than that because you're coming into 344,000 contracts. The 10-year note, the same setup on the 10-year note. Bottom line, the 10-year note, we are up 12 ticks. You've done 478,000 contracts. You are coming into, I believe it's a 1.4 million contracts. So notes and bonds, they're having a bounce out here today. It's on dramatically lighter volume. Bottom line, it's going to be up to the NASDAQ and the NDX 100. Can it keep it up and over the highs and drag the other indices up and over the highs? The Dow Industrials, that's up $1.35. The Dow also is just at the gap down. The number on the Dow to keep your eye on is 18,404. You got to close under that level. Guess what? That's a dead cat bounce going into the gap on the way down. And, we'll see what type of volumes we have in this market. We went topside yesterday, and the juice wasn't there. NDX, NASDAQ Composite, keep your eye on it. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If you're looking to discover a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new Market Safe Focus Commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 6 equally weighted commodities, including gold, silver, copper, nickel, soybeans, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With annual pricing caps of 50% per component, you could earn up to a 50% upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this financial resource designed to grow with the times. The October 13th funding deadline will be here before you know it. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.